Keeping your Turin Gallatin in top shape is easy with regular backflushing. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to backflush your machine step by step. Step 1. Replace your regular portafilter basket with the backflush disc. This blocks the water flow, creating the pressure needed to clean the group head. Step 2. Add about 3 grams of espresso machine cleaner to the backflush disc. Use a cleaner designed for espresso machines to avoid damage. Step 3. Lock the portafilter into the group head just like you would when bowling a shot. Step 4. Lift the brew lever of the Turin Gallatin. If your machine doesn't have a dedicated cleaning cycle, run the pump for 10 seconds and stop, repeating this process 4 to 5 times. I like to pause about 10 seconds in between each cycle. Step 5. Remove the portafilter and rinse the backflush disc thoroughly. Run a few water-only cycles to rinse out any remaining cleaner from the group head. Next, I recommend removing the drip tray and emptying so that way you're not overflowing on your next clean cycle. Step 6. Now with the cleaning detergent completely out of your blind basket and now you are running clean cycles, we're going to repeat the process about 3 to 4 times like we did in the beginning steps to ensure your machine is completely cleaned out and free of detergent for your next shots. And that's it! Regular backflushing removes coffee oils and residue, keeping your machine running smoothly and your espresso tasting great. Thanks for watching. For more tips on maintaining your espresso machine, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy brewing from all of us at Espresso Outlet.